Hello everyone, my name is Mr. M. Today we are going to learn how to add signed numbers. As we all know, addition is one of the four basic operations in math, together with subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now, what are signed numbers? These are the positive and the negative numbers. When we say positive, let's say for example, you study well and your grades are going up, those are positive, or you're working and you're earning money, that's positive. How about negative? When you spend money, that's negative numbers. What else? When the temperature is going below a freezing point or zero, then that's negative. Cool? Now let's go to the keyword. The absolute value of a number. It is the distance of a number from zero on the number line. This is a number line presented vertically, and this is also a number line presented horizontally. They're the same. Basically, they're the same. Now, when we say absolute, this is the symbol for absolute. The absolute value of positive 4 is right here. And so the absolute value of that number from 0, the 0 is your neutral number, your origin. So that's where you start counting always. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So from 0, the absolute value of positive 4 is 4. How about the absolute value of negative 3? Negative 3 is right here, below 0. But what is the absolute value of that number? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Counting from 0, it's 3. Alright, so that's the absolute value of a number. Now let's go to the key concept. This is rule number 1 on operating signed numbers. It says to add numbers having like signs, add their absolute values and prefix the common sign. When we say like signs, we're adding two numbers that are both positives or both negatives. Now when we say common, that means same. I'm going to show you that on the model problem. It says here, Alex got paid $2 for babysitting and received $6 for assisting in a local library. How much did Alex earn? So Alex got $2, so he earned $2, so it's a positive, and earned another $6 for assisting in the local library. Now, I typically put parentheses around this so that we can distinguish the sign from the operation. This is the addition operation. That's a symbol for addition. This is positive. That's positive. Got it? So just to distinguish, we don't want to put them next to each other. So how do we add this up? Positive 2 plus positive 6. Again, going back to the rule, if they have like signs, they do have the same sign, add their absolute values. What's the absolute value of positive 2? From here, from the origin, positive 2, the distance is 2. And positive 6 is right here. The distance is, so you count the number of spaces or steps, that's 6. So 2 plus 6 is 8. And according to the rule, prefix the common sign. Common sign, they have both positive, so it's a positive 8. Now, how do you verify using the number line? So from here, from the origin, positive 2 is right here, and then you're adding positive 6, meaning going up also. So from here, you count 6 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that's positive 8. So we end up at positive 8. So what is the meaning of this number in the context of the problem? So Alex earned a total of $8. There you have it. Alright, let's complete this second problem. It says Ben spent $1 for a bottle of water and $5 for his sandwich. How much did Ben spend? Now, so he spent, meaning, so the money is going up. So that's -1, okay, inside parentheses. And then another money spent, which is $5. Now we're looking for the total of amount that Ben spent, meaning we're adding this up. Now again, we want to put the parentheses so that we can distinguish the operation symbol and the sign of the number. This is the operation, addition, and that is negative. That's a negative as well. Okay? Now, going back to the rule, to add numbers having like signs, they have like signs, both of them are negative numbers. So just simply add their absolute value. So what is the absolute value of -1? -1 is right here, one space, that's 1. -5 is right here. So 5 spaces from 0, add them up, that's 6. And going back to the rule, it says once you add their absolute value, prefix the common or same sign, which is negative. Right? How do you verify that? Using the number line. From here, -1 is right here. Right? Now you're adding 5 more down. So you count from -1, 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you end up with -6, which is our final answer. Now what is the meaning of this number in the context of the problem? So Ben spent a total of $6 for a bottle of water and sandwich. As you will know, practice is the secret of math. So go ahead and complete this set of problems, but be sure to pause your video while you're doing it. And then once you're done, continue watching so that you can check your answers. Alright, if you got all these answers correct, then you're good to go. Thank you for watching and learning with me. Be sure to click the links below for additional resources. And do not forget to subscribe and share this video. Please take care of yourself and others.